Okay, happy Wednesday. So y'all, I finally put together my wine and cocktail cart. Yes, I purchased this from Amazon and I am loving it already. So, it wasn't hard to put together. I was just trying to do so many things at the same time, but I said I better get in here and finish putting this together since I have done all of my other hauls. So I just completed it. Just a 1, 2, 3 step, and you know what? It wasn't hard to put together. It's just like doing a jigsaw puzzle. Okay, yeah, but make sure you have patience and you're not tired. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do another video once I get everything decorated. You know, have all my wine glasses and wine bottles. Now at the top, well, you could decorate your table however you like, but I think I'm gonna put some cocktail napkins here. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. Some cocktail napkins up here at the top, and some silverware. Yes, some silverware. And right here will be some appetizers. This is neat. The appetizers will go here. Now right here, this is where your wine bottles go. You know how you put them in and they hang that way? And also, you put some here as well. And down here is where I'm going to put my cocktail glasses. And I can't wait to put those cocktail glasses on here. As a matter of fact, let me go get them. Okay, so those are the cocktail glasses that I'm going to put on the bottom. And I got those cocktail glasses from none other than Ross. None other than Ross. Dress for less than a what? I'll check the bottom and see. I think it's like $4.99, $5.99. And they're nice, y'all. What's the price? $4.99. Excellent quality. Very nice. Very nice. So I'm going to put these on the bottom. Put all my. I have some more cocktail glasses, so what I'll be doing is cleaning out my cabinets of all the cocktail glasses I have and putting them on here. And yeah, this is so neat. I am loving it. I am loving it. I am loving it. I'm loving it, y'all. I like that. Let me grab a few wine glasses so y'all can see how that'll look. Okay, there she is. So we got our cocktail glasses on the bottom and our wine glasses above. So that the wine glasses, you could put 3 on each side, and you could put as many, I would say at least 8. So you could do 3 rows of cocktail glasses on the bottom. Yeah, I love it. I love it. So tell me what y'all think, y'all. I will be dropping the link to this product in the description box, and you can also shop this item on my Amazon storefront. Thanks for watching.